In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check OneDrive storage space. Keeping track of your available storage in Microsoft OneDrive is important, especially if you regularly upload files, photos, or documents. Knowing how much space you've used helps you avoid running out of storage and ensures that your files continue syncing without interruption. To begin, open Microsoft OneDrive on your computer or through your web browser. If you are using a browser, go to the OneDrive website and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you are successfully logged in, you will be taken to your main dashboard where all your files and folders are displayed. From here, look toward the lower part of the screen, usually on the left-hand side. You will see a storage indicator that shows how much space you have used and how much is still available. This visual bar gives you a quick overview of your storage status without needing to open additional settings. If you want more detailed information, click on the storage indicator or look for a settings or account option within the interface. This will open a page where you can see a more detailed breakdown of your storage usage. It may also show which types of files or services are using the most space. For users who are accessing OneDrive through the desktop application, you can also check your storage by clicking the OneDrive Cloud icon in the System tray. From there, open the Settings menu and navigate to the Account section. This area provides information about your account, including your available storage. Monitoring your storage regularly is a good habit, especially if you work with large files such as videos, images, or backups. If you notice that your storage is getting full, you can free up space by deleting unnecessary files or moving them to another storage location. By staying aware of your storage usage, you can ensure that your OneDrive continues to function smoothly without interruptions to syncing or file access. And that's it. You now know how to check your OneDrive storage space. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.